So after my previous video on how you can use this Seedance 2.0 on this platform, I've found two apps you can use Seedance 2.0 to generate free and unlimited. And guys, let me walk you through step by step on how you can get this done. If you have an Android phone, you are going to use your Play Store, and if you have your Apple phone, you're going to use your App Store. At the end of this video, we are going to try to see if temporary mail will literally work on this platform. So let's do this together.
Now, once you open your Chrome browser, you're going to see Google Play Store. Okay, just click on that Google Play, right? Wherever you're going to find it on your screen. Now, click on it to take you to your Play Store where you have to install the app. Once you install this, is to start loading automatically. And you want to open the platform. Okay, just open the app and it will load up like this. Now, once this opens up, you're going to find all the available features here. Text to video, image to video, and all of that. Okay, now we are going to go ahead and illustrate one for us to see, just a simple prompt, and then let's see the quality and indeed if it's working. Right now, I'm going to select that text to video so we could have to illustrate it. So once that is open, you have the place where you have to paste your prompt, and you also have to select all your models. Beautiful. So what we are going to be using in this video is the Seedance 2.0. Now let's go ahead and select that 2.0, then select your aspect ratio to any aspect ratio of your choice, and then select your duration. 5 seconds is cool, 5-6 seconds when it's cool. You're going to paste it. I'm going to just give a simple prompt, right? And I'm using 480p. Now I'm creating, now once you paste your prompt, is going to prompt you to enter your email. So use any available email of your choice, and of course sign into the platform. Then watch the process will start immediately. Now the generation will start immediately, and hence the result. Now of course you can look up there, want to see a free credit that you have, the 150 free credit, and this is going to pop up. You want to allow AI processing. Yes, go ahead and allow that. Then once that is done and you are sure of the prompt and everything is cool, it starts generating immediately. You can see that, right? It will start generating. And then for us to view all our generations, you click on where we have view all, generations, and you're going to see all the videos that you've generated on this platform will reflect there. You can see that, right? Then after, you can leave the platform, come back again. You'll still find it in that place, all the videos you've generated, just like you're seeing here, and then boom, the result is ready, just like that. So let me know what I think about this in the comment section of this video, and you can see how beautiful the result came out. I didn't impute any image, I didn't do so much, the prompt wasn't so much, just a simple prompt, and the platform understood the entire message. So go ahead and try this platform. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section of this video. Let's go ahead and open our Chrome browser and type in this word, and the second one that is, yes, click on that second one and it will take you to your Play Store. So the moment you are done downloading it from Play Store, you can find it in your phone, okay, among your mobile apps. So go ahead and click that open. Now the moment you open this app, this is what you should notice first. Still in their beta phase, so at this moment you run into error, but trust me, I went on to check this platform and I saw amazing tools, amazing models that's about to be useful on this platform. And guys, you should be the first to know about this. Even Grok AI is on this platform, so hit the like button, subscribe so you don't miss the updates when it is available. Now quickly, let's go over and click on this website, right, so that we can get an email. Now let's get an email we can use. So once we verify this, right, so go ahead and copy this. Let's copy this. Let's head back to this platform. At this point, I'm going to use create account. Okay, so here I'm going to impute my name. Here I'm going to place that email we copied. Choose a password that you will not forget. I'm registering this. So at this point, everything is set. This place here should be ticked. All right, go ahead and create an account. Let's see if this is going to go through. Okay, so I'm not going to save this. If the email is valid, we sent a verification link. Can you see this? If the email is valid, we sent a verification link. So literally, let's see if it's going to come here. verify here. Okay, so let's go ahead and click verify your email. So go ahead and verify email. Beautiful. So email verified. You can see this, right? You can now sign in with your password. So the same email we used, okay, the same email there. Go ahead and paste the same email and then the password we used on this platform. Now we are going to see if you're going to be signed in. Wow, let's see. Okay, so at this moment we have signed in. So literally you can use this method to log in using temp mail. Okay, so guys, we've been able to crack that. Okay, so we can use this to claim credit and enter workspace. You've seen the process, then you're going to claim credit and start answering these questions, and then to claim all these 50 credit to keep using Seedance 2.0 on this platform. If you want to watch the full video, I made a full video on how you can use this platform, so check this video out and use it. Okay.